Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna see what the if double underscore name double underscore equals double underscore main double underscore. We're gonna see what this is doing, and also I'm gonna explain why we have display button now here, because we didn't have display button in our previous projects. Now, if name equals main, it's a common Python idiom that you'll encounter frequently in Python scripts. It serves a very specific purpose related to how Python files are used and executed. So let's break it down in a detailed and simple way. In Python, every module or Python file has a special built-in variable called name. The value of name depends on how the script is executed. When you run Python file directly, for example by typing python myscript.py in the command line, the name variable is automatically set to the string main. This indicates that the script is being run as the main program. When a Python file is imported as a module into another script, for example using the import keyword myscript, the name variable is set to the name of the file module, not main. The purpose of if name equals main, the if name equals main statement is used to determine whether a Python file is being run as the main program or being imported as a module into another program. When the script is executed directly, the condition if name equals main evaluates to true, so the code inside this block will run. When the script is imported into another script as a module, as you will see, the condition name equals main evaluates to false, so the code inside the block will not run. And why is this useful? This construct is particularly useful because it allows a Python file to serve two purposes. As a standalone script, it can be executed directly to perform some task like running a program, generating outputs, or testing functions. And as a module, it can be imported into other scripts without executing the main code that would run if it were executed directly. This allows you to reuse function, classes, and variables defined in the module without executing any top-level code. And we have this code here. And if you run this script, run main, we get my module being run directly. This is a function in my module. And in the first case, when where this module is called main, so in the first case when main is run directly, the code under the if name equals main runs, and you see the corresponding output. In the second case, let's create another module. So let's create a new module. Let's call it script. Let's import main. And here I'm gonna type my main. So main dot my function. So this imported. Now we import the main module inside our script module. Again, in the first case, when the main module is run directly, the code under the if name equals main runs, and you see the corresponding output. In the second case, so if I run this script, we get my module has been imported. This is a function in my module. So this is the output in the second module. In the second case, I'm gonna repeat, when script.py is when the main.py is imported into the script, only the function my function is used, and the code block under the if name equals main does not run. This is because the name variable is set to script to the name script, so it will use the name of the second module, the name of the file. Summary: the if name equals main idiom is a way to make your Python files more versatile. It allows you to write a script that can be both run as a standalone program and imported as a module without unwanted code execution. This practice is key for writing clean, modular, and reusable Python code. And it's correct to say that if __name equals main in Python serves the purpose similar to the main function in Java, but there are some key differences. Similarities: In Java, the main function, the main method is the entry point of any standalone Java application. So this is why you have here the play button, because this is the entry point. From here we're gonna run all of our code, or we should run all of our code. But before I end this video, let me show you a comment from YouTube which summarizes what if name equals main does. So let me bring this. And short answer, this setup gives you the option to run or not run a chunk of code when imported from another Python file. So this is what this if check is doing. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next video.